Hi guys, I hope you're good. I am Mr. Kiti.Z and welcome to my world. Yeah, this is my world. Welcome to my world. Anyways, today I'm talking about the forces which are responsible for the movement and also for the position of the water inside the soil. Remember, we said to the previous post, if you follow my Facebook, or previous video, if you follow my YouTube, ukuthi, we said ukuthi what is the soil moisture. We did say what is the soil moisture. We did talk about the types of soil moisture, isn't it? Yes, but we said also ukuthi naming of the soil water relies on indoluza noland position yamanzi inside the soil and also the movement yamanzi inside the soil. What do you mean by movement? Amanzi amuva downwards or amuva upwards okanye mhlambe ame kulona ame kuyo whatsoever. Then naming yenzeka ngelo hlobo kwi-soil science, right? Now let's come to a point ukuthi the movement and then as position yenziwa yintoni yabo. Okay, soil scientists have found out ukuthi the movement of water and the position of the water inside the soil yenzeka due to the forces ezenzekayo inside the soil. Remember, agriculture is a science, so in agriculture forces, agriculture chemistry, physical sciences, there's a lot in agriculture. That's why they say agricultural sciences. Now I'm gonna just add a little bit of physics when it comes to forces. These forces which are responsible for the movement and the position of the soil, of the water inside the soil. The first one, we have cohesion force. Cohesion force. We have cohesion force, right? What is cohesion force? Cohesion force is la force that is responsible ukuthi amanzi athi attract to one another. Let's say if you were to take amanzi wagalele maybe in a table, etafilini, gala amanzi etafilini, mhlawumbe ugale nje just a drop, then after ugalela drop uphinde ugale enye drop ecaleni kwala drop, uyofumaniseka uba ezaa drop ziye zidibane. Iyaqaphela, yes, into eyenza uba ezaa drop zidibane, it's attraction yenzekayo between amanzi. Remember, amanzi is H2O, meaning it's made of 2 hydrogens and 2 oxygen. If you go back to our periodic table, uyofumaniseka uba ule lose oxygen negative, then uyofumaniseka hydrogen or positive. So if let's say la drop yakho yokuqala ubuyidrophile ujonge kwenye i-drop, maybe ngecala ka-oxygen, and then on the other side ngecala ka-hydrogen, which is negative and positive, then kwenzeka attraction pha, you see. So that's why amanzi kutheni kuthiwa amanzi attractana is due to the charges amanzi anazo. So we say la attraction between amanzi yenziwa due to the force called cohesion force. Now let's go to a second force, which is called adhesion force. Adhesion force, that's the second force. Leyo yona i-force goes to a point ukuthi now is the attraction yenzekayo between amanzi and also the soil particle. Remember, let's take the previous video, the soil particles are negatively charged, right? Besishilo, then sathi amanzi are neutral, meaning amanzi have positive charges and also have negative charges, right? So we're saying soil particles are negatively charged. So the adhesion force yenza kanjani? As the soil particles are negatively charged, they attract amanzi with the side of amanzi early positive by amanzi, which is the hydrogen. Then amanzi nelenduza soil particles zibambane. Is the attraction yenzekayo, but we call the attraction adhesion force because it involves the soil particle nelenduza namanzi yenzeka for the fact that ukuthi soil particle is negatively charged, then amanzi and positive charges and negative charges. If amanzi face the soil particle with a positive charge, aye abambane amanzi nandoni na soil particle due to the charges between those two is positive and the negative. Then sathi yona i-cohesion force, i-attraction yenzekayo between water and water, because water has 2 charges, positive and negative, other side positive and negative. So if they face with different